Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. So this is the free video for Thursday, May 14th. I'd like to highlight a stock that has been very strong recently. This is Micron technology. So everybody knows that memory chips are in short supply. A lot of these memory chip makers have sold out their entire stockpile, the production for the entire 2026 year. And so the demand is there. They can't keep up. They're running at full speed, at maximum capacity, and they still can't produce enough. With the explosion of AI warehouses and computing centers. So Micron has gone from, if we just even look just since the beginning of April, okay, not more than 5 weeks, 6 weeks at the most. We were at 400. Yesterday we hit 800. It doubled in 5 weeks. Now this is an extreme move. Now what I would suggest is the market is trying to find a level. See, back here, March, April, the 50-day EMA was roughly $400. Okay? The 8-day EMA gives us a fairly good approximation to the current value of the stock. Now the 50-day, because it is such a longer duration, it is a longer duration kind of median price. And we had been sitting just under 400 for a while. And then all of a sudden, here by right around April 7th, the market took off and it made an extreme move. So if we take that as fairly fair valued at 400, we doubled it. And when we doubled it, you got to that 100% number. And all of a sudden, we start to stall. Okay, we have a doji here. We have a hammer pattern here, but it did recover. You have a bullish move here. It did pull back. And today you have another doji. What this is showing is some hesitancy to pushing higher above 800. Everybody knows you don't double in price in 5 or 6 weeks, but it did. So a lot of these traders in Micron are hoping for a move, maybe up to 9,000 or 1,000, but they're very hesitant because they've got a lot of built-up gains. So that's why this thing is pausing. I would suggest caution, because a move down to the 8 EMA, which is roughly 75, 80 points from the high, it actually could be very quick. And then another pull down, roughly 700 to 650 to 600. And if you look at the 50-day EMA, it's only down here at 520. So I'm not calling for a pullback that drastic, but I do want you to know that a pullback is possible. Now, someone asked me a similar question in the trading room today. If we think that this might be the extent of the move to the upside, can we buy or set up a short position? Can we buy puts? And the answer is you can prepare to buy puts, but don't trade the downside move until it actually starts happening. Remember, 2 days ago, market tried to pull back towards the 8-day EMA, and then it quickly rebounded in the afternoon. So just be careful. Watch this consolidation between 780 and roughly 810. And if we really start to accelerate lower, especially with the market, then Micron might be taking profits, at least for a little bit of a downside move. Okay, thank you.